What's up, family? welcome to this amazing YouTube channel. So today I think this video, I am posting the messiest and the busiest video you'll ever see. Yes, just by the way, okay, I will be doing a vlog. I don't know about what, but it will be a vlog, okay? So today I will record the odds. I will record things that I don't record mostly. Yes, so that's the video of today. My name is Wangare Maura. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to my amazing YouTube channel. Okay? Like, share, comment. Leave a comment, just a comment, okay? This is just a very random, a very random comment, okay? It's a very random video, so leave a very random comment, okay? It's the 8th of July 2024, and this week is my friend's birthday week. Just Chimai, okay? Yes, she'll be turning before I get into the vlog, because I guess we're already in the vlog, okay? Personally, I am a person.
Let me just tell you, the God of Shama will help me to hammer, because I will buy a hammer for my mama.
Did I say this is the messiest video that you'll ever see? Anyway, it is fun. Messy is good sometimes, okay? I am selling pajamas. As you all know, by now you should be knowing, all my handles are always on the screen nikianza kwa video. Okay, I am still teaching myself how to edit, because these people who want to help me, they want money and I do not have monies, okay? I'm still teaching myself how to edit, so I will maybe look for someone who is going to help me. Niekande yo logo ya, si mnajua ile logo ya advertising, because it's been tough, okay? Pajamas go for very affordable. Okay. I'm sorry. Let me start again, okay? I am selling pajamas at a very affordable prices. Not only pajamas, we have every sleep or nightwear you may think of, okay? 1, night dresses. 2, rompers. 3, robes with night dresses. Umesikia night dress kando na bado dress with night dresses, okay? No, dresses with rompers. No, with wrapper. Is it rompers? I'm a wrappers. Okay, whatever. Again, we are selling beddings, okay? If you're there, unataka kulala kwa very beautiful bed sheets, bed covers, mattress covers, duvet covers, all those things, okay? Hit me up, okay? Hit me up. I will put my number here. Actually, I think I will put my number here. Na sasa any other social media platform that I use still will run here, okay? Niko kwa shamba, it's in the morning, and I felt like I want to eat some oranges, okay? Sisi, we are God's favorite. We just get them straight from the garden. We get them straight from the garden. So, nimewambia this is a very random video, and this is our freshly harvested. Okay, we can harvest hapa machungwa very freshly. Nimewaonyesha, kama nimewaonyesha samahanini, lakini you'll have to see again. As you can see, easy bado, they are not yet ripe. They are not yet ripe, hizo. So I'll be looking for something that is riper. There's something of that sort. Yeah. And maybe let me take you to a small garden tour. Mimi ni mshamba. You see, nakaa venye nataka. Actually, ni vile tu nimeona nimewamiss sana. Nikasema niwatumie hata kama ni a 10 minutes vlog. Nifanye, let me take you for a shamba tour, okay? Our homestead is the other side. So, let me take you first hapa kwa shamba. As you can see, mimi nakwambia sisi ni God's favorite. Nyinyi mko na mahindi. So, hapa hivi home tuko na kashamba kadogo kenye tumepanda mahindi. As you can see, this is a banana plantation. I don't know kama nyinyi watu mnajua. Okay, there's something that most of you don't know. Kitu inaitwa mianga ni yam ama ni nini? Ni cassava. We have it. Simona, that is a cassava plantation. Yam plantation and hizi. So these ones are like grown. This is ready to be harvested. So I don't know kama mnajua harvested. I know this is msiko mnaona tu hivyo nje, mnafikiria kuna kitu wanajua shamba. Mimi ni mshamba, nimelelewa huko shambani, so I know. Hii ni plantation ya mwanga. Let me call it mwanga juu itakuwa easier for you to understand. This is a plantation ya mwanga, as you can see. So how is it harvested? Do you all know how it is harvested? Okay, sisi kama mko interested na vitu za shamba, lakini let me just show you. It's rooted from hapo. Unavunjanga like you uproot it, iko chini. Yes, and I don't know why ina growing hivi kubwa na ni kitu tu iko under the grounds, okay? And this one zikikauka, they make very nice firewood, by the way, very nice, za kuhakisha moto ndio weke zile makuni kubwa. Yeah, that's it. Sijui mbona sijavaa gumboots. Naona nimevaa slippers na niko kwa shamba. Haya, aka nika baby mapera. Okay, hii ni baby mapera. Kamewaiza, sikaone hivyo. Ya kamewaiza, nishaonyesha machungwa. Unaona kwetu ni hiyo side mnaona huko ndio nyumbani. And oh my god, I wish I gave a gumboot. Haya, from there, so basically kenye tuko nao sana ni hizo mahindi zenye nimeonyesha. We have pumpkins, so you can place your orders there. Okay, inaonyesha tu kaka small portion. We have pumpkins, hizo ndio pumpkins. From there, if you don't know, pumpkin leaves zupika ugali. If you guys don't know, just a reminder. If you know, you know. Pumpkins zupika ugali. So pumpkin leaves. So kwa tu, my god, ama nikimbilie gumboots. Aya, from there nitaonyesha sweet potato plantation. Then mango tree. Tuko na mango tree. This is a mango tree. And I think kuna no. Mimi nasema mango, hii ni avocado bana. Hii ni avocado. Parachichi. Then hizi zinakaa nyasi. Kwa Kikuyu tunazitanga muhea. So hata sijui kwa Kiswahili ni nini. Then another avocado tree. These are still babies, hazijazaa. Huko ni kwa my neighbor, our neighbor. Yeah. Basically that's it about the shamba. That video was just for the sake. Kwa naonyesha kenye nilikuwa nimeendea kwa shamba. I feel like eating an orange. And I'm having myself an orange. Straight from my shamba. Okay, babangu asikia kisa nikisema my. Babangu alituambia yana kitu ya kutugawia. Okay, so we have a mango that you're going to have for breakfast. Okay. Let's get into the video sasa. Sawa. In 1, 2, 3. In the count of 1, 2, 3. We get in the count of 1, 2, 3 we get into the video.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
I'm done guys, and this is the outfit of the day. Nitavaa hiyo top. I don't love ragged, but because I'm not going anywhere serious, I will wear that ragged. And now this na socks na viatu. I will show you the full outfits after I am from the bathroom. Sasa ndio nataka kwenda kuoga. Then I come dress up.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung.
So guys, that marks the end of our video. Let me get to wherever I'm going. See you in the next vlog. Kama umefika hapa mwisho for watching, thank you so much for watching. Kama umefika hadi hapa, thank you so much for watching. You're the best. Okay? Yeah. Hereby my one and only sister. Yeah. So guys, see you in the next. I just had forgotten to tell you guys to keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah. And it's a wrap. It's a wrap, guys. That's it for today. See you on Thursday. I have a very, very interesting vlog for you guys. The Thursday edition. I believe you all remember it. So yeah. Bye.